Hey folks, Adam O'Dell here with Salem, and today I am proud to introduce to you the all-new Cruise Lite 24 RLXL. Follow me, let's check it out. Now that we're on the inside of the 24 RLXL Cruise Lite, I'm very excited to bring to you that this is the ultimate couples coach. First, we'll start off with the rear. You're going to have a nice big window in the back with a sofa that folds down into a bed, which is amazing for a couples coach. You're going to have nightstands or end tables on both sides. They're each going to have a 110 outlet and a USB hookup. Moving over to the dinette, you're going to see that you get a full U-shaped dinette with windows, one being the full panoramic behind there to give you that view, okay? Also, that will fold down into a bed if you ever have guests over and you want to entertain, you can. So, the beautiful thing about this is, it's such a small unit, but it's so versatile and is extremely aesthetically pleasing as well. Another nice addition we did on the 2023 model is going to be this fireplace. Now we had a fireplace before, but if you look, we added that mirror finish on it. So it gives it that high-end luxury aesthetic, kind of like a high-end hotel. So not only will this provide heat, but it also now looks more aesthetically pleasing. Again, combining that functionality with that aesthetic. That right there is how and why we are the most versatile brand in the entire industry. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. The kitchen is one of the most amazing things in this model because it's so small. So you figure, am I still going to have enough room in the kitchen? And the answer is yes. And let me show you why. First off, you're going to see it still gives you that chef area where it's almost like the L. You're going to have plenty of storage below. You're going to have a nice oven, which opens, LEDs on the knobs. You're going to have a 3-burner high output cooktop. Also, you're going to get this panoramic window, which keeps the people on the outside connected with the people on the inside. Because the last thing that you want is someone to feel left out when you're camping, right? In this model, that ain't gonna happen. So, if mom or pop is in here cooking and cleaning or whatever, they don't feel left out and they can actually still see and communicate with people through this panoramic window, okay? Moving over here, we're gonna have nice cabinetry, and you're gonna see there's plenty of room with a shelf, okay? You're also gonna have nice frosted glass to give it, again, that nice high-end aesthetic appeal. And then again, you're gonna have more storage below with a door there and also a door here. And that right there is the kitchen on the 24 RLXL. Now I'm excited to bring you the bathroom. The bathroom is my favorite part of this camper because this is one of the only models we build that has a split bathroom. Now what I mean by a split bathroom is that you're going to have a hallway here with the shower on one side and then the rest on the other. Normally it's compiled into one small area. This here, even though it's a small camper, it gives you the bathroom of like a 40-footer it seems. So that's why I love this model so much, because it has a split bathroom. The split bathroom allows you more use and versatility and that overall feeling of the unit just being larger. Now in the bedroom, I want to talk about the biggest thing that we added this year, and that is going to be a king bed. That's right, I said it, a king bed. Beautiful thing about that is it's now a 66 by 78 inch. Again, 66 by 78. Not only do we make the bed larger, but we actually somehow increased the walk-around space. How do we do that? Well, we actually took the bigger mattress and we neo-angled the corners, therefore giving you more room to walk around the bed, and it's larger. Are you kidding me? I'm going to bring this up a little bit. We're going to talk about the storage below. The storage below is beautiful because you get full pass-through storage. It's accessible from under the bed and on the camping and non-camping side. Also, 4 stow-and-go bins, which are built in right there for use and accessibility. And then below that, you're going to have our custom shoe nook. Sandals, tennis shoes, whatever you want, you can store right there below that. Bring this back down. Want to draw your attention to the left and the right side of the bed. You're going to have your own hanging storage there. You're also going to have a small nook with a 110 outlet on both sides. Again, a 110 outlet. So if you want to have a sleep apnea machine, you can, or if you just want, you know, additional outlets for anything else that you can think of. And you're also going to get 2 USB ports, one on each side, if you want to charge your cell phone as well, okay? Last but not least, I want to talk about this closet, okay? This closet, even though the unit's a small unit, it still has a full walk-in hanging wardrobe. The beautiful thing about that is that literally you have a full walk-in closet in a 24-footer with a king bed, ultimate couples coach. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. I mean, look at this. It's a full wardrobe in a 24-foot unit. Now that is separating ourselves from everybody else. Now on the outside of the 24 RLXL Cruise Lite, we're going to have full pass-through storage. It's all finished and you're going to get plenty of storage even though it's a small camper, okay? You're going to have access points from the camping side and non-camping side, and again, underneath the actual bed itself, all right? Also, the back of this door here is a dry erase surface. The beauty of this is that again, we don't We try to utilize every single ounce of camper we possibly can, making it a better experience for you. So having this be a dry erase board, you can use it for, to-do lists, what not to forget, or even notes, or reminders, like, hey, mom and pop here, we'll be back in 10, etc. The beautiful thing about this is it's so versatile and functional, and it's already here, ready for your use. Last but not least, the antimicrobial net. Okay, this is going to be our laundry net that we talked about, where you store all your wet clothes in, towels, etc. Accessible from the inside drawer. What you want to do, you take it, you can just pull it right off here, take your drawstring, zip it up, and you tell the kids or whoever's with you, hey, we need our laundry done, go do it, and have them do it. Hey folks, thank you for joining us today going through the all-new 2023 Cruise Lite 24 RLXL. If you have any more questions or want more information, go to our website, forestriverinc.com/Salem Cruise Lite. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.